Hi guys, so today I'm gonna talk about someone asked me this question basically, which was, um, you know, what has a wide range in digital marketing. So I can start with that topic. So, basically, digital marketing consists of social media and it consists of affiliate marketing, SEO, blog writing, influencer marketing, ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube, video SEO, and all of that stuff, keywords, research, you know, all of that stuff. There is literally so much, and even e-commerce, Shopify, Amazon. It's too much. Yeah, and I know a lot of you are overwhelmed on where to start, how to start, when to start, or some of you have these questions such as what has a wide variety, what has a wide range of it, so I can choose that. No, what I want to tell you right now is these are the platforms, these are the topics available in digital marketing, which I just said: SEO, YouTube, video SEO, keywords, blog writing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, all of that stuff. All of them have played their own role. Instagram plays its own role, YouTube plays its own role, Snapchat is playing its own role, TikTok is playing its own role, blog marketing is playing its own role. Everything has its own role in the digital marketing, in marketing your brand in some way. So let's say right now, if you want to pick one thing to choose and master in that skill set, or if you are searching for like a wide range of things, what I would suggest you to first of all learn an overview, or like learn about one topic as an overview. You should probably know what social media management is all about. You should know what are ads about. Not specifically you should know in depth what you should do, but like you should have an overview, like, okay, yeah, I know what happens in this thing. I know that from SEO you have to add keywords, and then it will help you to rank higher. In YouTube, that you have to post videos on YouTube, and then it will help you rank higher. Your videos will get reached to more people, all of that stuff. In blog marketing, that you have to post blog post, and then rank your blog post higher, which have keywords and links of your brand. You should know each and every term of it. You should basically know what it stands for, and then see which one interests you the most. Let's say if YouTube marketing, YouTube ads interest you the most, go in and learn it out. When I say learn it out, literally learn it out A to Z. Literally, there should be any topic that should be left out in that. So what will happen, you will develop an amazing set of skills for YouTube advertising. You will become the master of it, and then you can start ahead and start ahead with other stuff. You do not have to be the jack of trades, master of none. You have to really focus on 1, 2, or 3 things which excite you the most, or also which you have like a good understanding for it, you have a lot of interest for it, and you will excel if you are interested in, because you really love it and you have the willpower to do it. Let's say if I like SEO but I don't love it. I know basic terms about SEO, but the amount of dedication I put on Instagram marketing and YouTube marketing versus SEO, I would much rather prefer doing Instagram and YouTube all the day rather than I would do SEO. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's how I can explain it, because for me, I really love it's all about what my strengths are. I do really like writing, and I started off as a blogger, but my also key points, like my one of the biggest strength is being comfortable in front of camera, and I'm really comfortable with it. And I, first of all, most that's my priority, is my happiness. So I really like filming videos, and I feel happy, I feel comfortable doing it. So see what are your strengths, what do you feel comfortable doing, what do you really like, and then eventually you will become a master of it. If you really want to know how to get started on how to learn, let's say if you want to start learning YouTube marketing, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, I will link down a video below which I uploaded yesterday on how to start learning digital marketing and the best platforms to learn digital marketing for free. So yeah, you can go towards that. And yeah, that was basically my answer to your question on how you can what's the wide range in digital marketing, what should I pursue. There is all of them are wide ranges if you see it that way. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna upload videos every single day for the next 2019. I know that's crazy, but I have a lot of videos planned for you in terms of digital marketing, so make sure you please subscribe to this channel, do all of that stuff, because there are some amazing videos lined up for you guys. You definitely don't want to miss that out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.